Hi, my name is Nova Kisina Bintia here. Today, I want to present to you about my final project for subject ICT200. So, this is the content that I want to present. First, our company. Second, background. Third, current system description and current problem statement. Fourth, purpose system business rules and database objective. Fifth, entity relationship diagram and also relation schema in 3 and F. Last but not least, DDL and also DML. So our company, Microsoft Corporation, is a technology company. The company develop, license and support a range of software product, service and device. The company segment include productivity and business process, intelligent cloud and more personal computing. For the background, name as Microsoft Corporation, location Redmond, Washington, and found 4 April 1975. Current system description. This company produce best known software product are the Microsoft Windows lines of operating system, the Microsoft Office suite, and the Internet Explorer and Edge web browser. So this company has 7 entities, which are agent, consumer, software, programmer, invoice, repair, and service. About the project, due to the new company policy, the company manager has decided to upgrade their servicing system related to software. As a database designer, I was assigned to design a new database system according to the following requirements. So for the current problem statement, to what extent does the efficiency of data management currently being practiced in the Microsoft Corporation company? Second, the company is facing a problem in handling a massive additional of abruptly the number of tech customer. When the number of customer increase, the business need more agent to support the selling of software as well. Last but not least, the company find it hard to get information which agent was in charge of selling software because our database is lack of information about our agent and consumer. So for now, database, we are having a problem such as a poor design, programming mistake, and lack of adaptability. So for the future, that I want to make a renew in my database is updating, positioning, and adaptability. So for the purpose database objective, first, I want to ensure this database is efficient and easy to use by a company. Second, to ensure that every data about production is to be stored in their table. Third, to ensure that if each customer that already purchased make a report about their software, they should bring the invoice, otherwise the agent may check by their purchase serial number in database system. Purpose system business rule. This is the business rule that I want to create about the relationship from one table to each table. So for the entity relationship diagram (ERD), as you can see, this is my ERD. I split the table. There are invoice table, consumer table, programmer table, agent table, software table, and also have this join to the repair and service table. So for the relation schema in 3 and F, we have PK, that's mean primary key, and also FK as a foreign key. So agent also have their own primary key. That's one is agent ID. And consumer also have primary key, IC number. Programmer have primary key, programmer ID. Software have a primary key, serial number, and also have PK, FK, foreign key from table consumer, IC number. While invoice have a primary key, invoice ID, and also have a foreign key, IC number from consumer. Repair and service has the same primary and foreign key. That's one is serial number. So for data definition language DDL. So this is how you want to create a table, such as I create a table agent. So what I need is agent ID, agent name, and telephone number. So the agent ID I put as a char 12. The data type is char 12, and agent name, their data type is varchar 20, while the agent phone number char 12. So for the programmer, I look for programmer ID and also programmer name. Programmer ID char, and also the programmer name is varchar. For the table invoice, have a invoice ID and invoice date, also IC number. So the invoice ID char, invoice date char, while IC number also char. For data manipulation language DML, so this is the command I select from agent. So this is how the tables look when you already insert the data into the table. So this is table agent, while this is table programmer, and last but not least, this is table invoice. So for the maintaining data, insert, delete, and update. As you can see, if you want to insert the data, the table will be like this. Have agent ID, agent name, telephone number. So I insert the data of the agent name, Fadlin Christina, and also have agent ID 220. For the update, I have a serial number, IC, software model, software license key, software version, software problem. What I have update? I update software model. That is from software model words to document. As you can see that software model over there have document. I already update. So for delete, agent ID, agent name, agent telephone number. I delete the agent that's named Sharul Aiman with agent ID is 224. Thank you, that's all from me. So we will proceed to the system. So now I'm going to test my system. I'm already create my database and I name as a test. So I'm just connect to the test to enter the database. So next I will list the table in the database test. So this is table that I already create in database test. So I'm going to view the table of agent, describe, select from agent. So this is I'm already create agent data. So that I have the agent ID, agent name, agent telephone number. So the agent ID hold the data type of character, while agent name hold the character of varchar, while the agent telephone number hold the data type character. So we will view a few table more. Describe table programmer. So as you can see, is it same? So next, invoice. Okay, as you can see, this is how I want to view my table. So next, I want to view the data that I already insert in my table. Select from agent. As you can see, this is my agent data. I already insert the name agent. I already insert agent name Farin Christina, Yusnil Yusuf, Yahya Yusuf, Afi Haris, Anisha Fika, Maria Tika. Actually, it have 7 agent, but I delete one agent. that hold the agent ID 224. That's agent's name is Sharul Aiman. So this is the current data from agent. So we will look other table such as programmer. Programmer. So my programmer Aisyah Iman, Afia Iman, Amira Iman. And last but not least, select from invoice. So this is the consumer bought from the date. Okay, I think that's all for me. Thank you.